All right, hey everyone, I am here to talk about Uncut Rounds. I've got one right here. These are impressive pieces of firewood. They're quite big. They're round, and the thing that people love about them is that they will burn for a long time, right? So if you want to have a nice fire all day or a big fire pit experience outside, these are a great option. There is a challenge with Uncut Rounds though. They are not split, as you can see. Our split wood logs, like the ones I have here, are easier to light than these Uncut Rounds. And so I wanted to just talk a little bit about how you can get one of these to light. And the main key is you want a very hot fire. This is actually kind of tough for me to be sitting by right now, so I'm not gonna be here for much longer. But there's a couple things. I've got a nice strong bed of coals. That's gonna create a lot of heat. I've got a good flame going. I've got a couple pieces of firewood that are going really well. If you have those things, your Uncut Round is going to do a lot better. And so I'm going to put this on the fire, and then you'll see it'll take a little bit, but it'll start lighting up. And so here we go. Oh man, hot fire, but that's just what we want. Now, a couple other things I did. I had my two logs and I kind of spaced them out so that I could put the Uncut Round in the middle. That way there's heat on both sides of the Uncut Round. It's also gonna keep it in the middle of the grate, so I don't want this thing rolling out, obviously. And as you can see, I mean, look at how quickly it's lighting up, right? So if I had tried to light this Uncut Round with just some kindling, it probably would have really struggled. But because I've put this Uncut Round onto a very hot fire, it's gonna light up, it's gonna burn for a long time, and it's gonna provide a great experience. Now, as the fire goes on, I might decide to add another log or two on top or to the side of it, but really this guy is gonna burn for a long time. And I've seen them last 3 hours, I've seen them last 5 hours. I even had one last 7 hours on Christmas Eve. It's a great way to build a fire that's gonna last for a long time, create a lot of warmth, and give you a lot of chances to make great memories. This Uncut Round has been burning for easily over an hour. As you can see, there's still a lot more wood left. One of the things we're facing is the smaller pieces of wood around it have burnt up. So I'm gonna add another good piece of firewood here. This is a nice piece of hickory. To this, I'm actually gonna just push this back a hair. Just gonna open it up a little bit and add that guy in. And then I also want to add another piece under here. These coals are still quite hot, but I just wanna kinda keep that coal bed going and just to kinda ensure I have the best fireside experience possible. So you can see adding a bit of extra fuel there is gonna get that fire going a little bit more. And this Uncut Round is gonna just keep going. And you know, what I love about it too is I don't have the world's biggest fire here, but it's creating a lot of heat still because of these coals, because that Uncut Round is burning at a hot temperature. And there's also just a nice crackle and aroma that's gonna fill my house all day. So it's really a great way to experience an awesome fire. So these Uncut Rounds from Cutting Edge Firewood go through a very rigorous drying process. They don't have any bugs, mold, or pests. They're very dry. If you'd like to try Uncut Rounds for yourself, you can order them on our website. We sell them individually. You can actually buy just a single log for a special occasion, or we can sell them so that they'll fill up your firewood rack in larger quantities. So check out cuttingedgefirewood.com for more info, and we hope you enjoyed this video. All right, this is really hot now, so I'm gonna go.